Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today is Vlogmas day 3, and yeah, subscribe if you want to keep up with my Vlogmas. I am doing it for the first time ever this year. Okay, I am back. I changed into comfy clothes. I don't know about you guys, but as soon as I get home from work, used to be school when I was in school, and I need to put on either pajamas, sweatpants, leggings, whatever it is. I need to put on comfortable clothes I'll be wearing for the evening, because it just gets me all cozy. And yeah, I just feel like I'm ready to relax and unwind, and I'm going to eat now. As soon as I get home from work, I have to greet our cat. She's the cutest little sausage. I'm looking for something to eat. I didn't eat lunch yet. I usually eat lunch really late on work days, to be honest. My mom made this like tortellini soup, so I'm gonna have some of this. So I just ate my late lunch, early dinner, whatever we want to call it. I just pulled out everything to make the macaroons. So I'm gonna make like vanilla macaroons. I haven't made macaroons in like a few months, but I really want to do it. They're so good. They come out right. I'm still gonna eat them even if they fail. Pulled out everything I think I'm gonna need. Have almond meal, like almond flour. I have regular almonds too in case this isn't enough. Confectioner sugar, food coloring, don't know if I'll even use that. Vanilla, egg whites I'll need, sugar, butter. I have these like coconut flakes, so I'm gonna see if I can like use these to make them look more like snowy. Sprinkles, I don't even know. I just pulled out everything I think I might need. So I'm looking up this recipe. I think this is the one I made before. It's from piesandtacos.com. Okay, so before you start, get all of your ingredients ready. Piping bag, have it set aside. I already have these. This is the sifter that we have. So we use that. Sift the powdered sugar, almond flour, and the cornstarch together. I feel like you have to be like so precise when you're doing macaroons. So, almond flour. Okay, I need the same exact amount of powdered sugar. Okay, so almond flour, powdered sugar, and then cornstarch. I'm like a little dysfunctional like after work, I feel like. But I'm trying to do fun things, and I do enjoy cooking and baking, so I'm trying to get better at it. I feel like there's just not that much to do because of everything going on. I don't know, I'm trying to think of like things I can do at home to like stay busy and just enjoy myself, so yeah, why not snowman macaroons? So I feel like that looks pretty good. Nice and sifted. It's like an arm workout doing that, I feel like. Okay, I do not have vanilla beans, so I'm skipping that step. Place the egg whites in the sugar in a heat-proof bowl. Double boiler. Whisk them together until frothy. Okay, we are at the stove now. I have this like pan that I put some water on, and I'm gonna do this like makeshift double boiler. So I'm gonna take a half cup of granulated sugar. That's about 3.5 ounces. And I'm gonna use 3 egg whites. So I'm just waiting for the water to boil. My cat really, I don't think she likes the camera, honestly. Zara, now my cat's climbing on the counters. Zara, come on. Alright, so this water is now boiling. I'm gonna turn the flame down. I'm gonna separate my egg whites. Okay, so I definitely got a little bit of the yolk in this. I'm gonna try to like scoop it out with a spoon. A really small amount. So I just put my egg whites in this pot, and then I'm gonna take half a cup of white granulated sugar. Then put my sugar in it, and then we're making like a syrup type consistency, it says. I'm just gonna whisk that over this. So apparently it's supposed to take like a couple minutes to do this. Like, it's definitely a bit of a process to do it, but if you have the time, and I feel like I have the time since after work I kind of just come home and don't do as much during the week. It's not really, like, I'm just trying to think of things to do, like cooking, baking, working out, taking a walk, self-care things. Obviously I spend a lot of time doing YouTube now because I'm so into it. I have so much fun with YouTube, so like after I do this, I'll probably be like editing my other Vlogmas video that's gonna go up tomorrow. I want to think of like ways to make Vlogmas a little more interesting so it's not like too boring, but at the same time, like I'm just gonna show you guys my life, like what I'm doing. And right now it is a Tuesday after work and I am making macarons that will look like a snowman. So honestly, can't complain. It's a really fun activity to do, although definitely a little challenging. Like I feel like on the weekends is when I'll actually try to do more like substantial things. Like my boyfriend and I will take a hike, we'll take a walk, like something like that, get outside. Okay, so I'm putting the egg whites and sugar thing we just boiled into this bowl. And then we're gonna start like whisking it. This is like when the first time I made macarons, it took me so long to whisk it. I don't know why, but it really shouldn't take like too long. But for some reason, I felt like I was doing it for like an hour. Probably not, but it felt like it. Guys, I was just like, why is this taking so long? It's been like 15, 20 minutes because I'm not using the whisk attachment. I'm using whatever these are. So I totally forgot that the whisk attachment. Don't make the mistake I just made. I feel like now it should be a lot easier. So that took me forever, but I'm gonna fold in dry ingredients now. So I have this little like icing spatula. I'm just gonna really carefully fold it in. Honestly, this looks promising. I think these could come out good. So this is what that looks like. I have my piping bag and this little like nozzle. See what happens. So I just piped the batter like onto the tray and I feel like they don't really look like snowmen. Really hope at least one of these comes out good. It's not a complete fail, but either way I feel like they'll still be edible. So in the meantime, I'm gonna make vanilla buttercream. Honestly, if you're just trying to find like a nice like DIY like cooking recipe video, like this is probably not it. This is just me trying to experiment in my kitchen and just do something remotely fun because I'm trying to get in the holiday spirit. So I just made the buttercream icing and it actually tastes pretty good. So I'm gonna throw these in the oven now for 18 minutes and then I'll let them cool, put the icing on and decorate them, and I hope they kind of look like a snowman. So I have 5 minutes left on these and I feel like they actually look like they're not too bad. The shapes might look weird, but they're actually cooking pretty good. The cookies are like almost done baking and I just put a little bit of like food coloring and a really small amount of the buttercream because I want to make like a cute design. I'm like really trying here, guys. I'm really trying. So I'm like chopping these little chocolate chunks to see if I can use them as like the little eyes on the snowman. Honestly, I feel like these aren't too bad. I think we could work with these. I think we can make them look like snowmen. And then I made some like regular ones just in case. Actually, they look really good. Oh my god. I'm kind of shocked. So I put the buttercream in between like the sandwich cookies. But this one actually looks cute.
That looks almost perfect, yeah.
It does.
It doesn't look like a peanut to me, but it's a snowman, right?
It does look like a peanut.
Yeah.
It is a snowman. So I'm gonna take my red buttercream and like a toothpick and just see if I can make like a little scarf. my gosh. So I just finished decorating it. I can't tell if it looks cute or creepy. Probably a little creepy looking. I hope you guys enjoyed this little Vlogmas baking. So I just finished making the macaroons. I like talk with my hands. I don't know if anyone else does that. I just finished making the macaroons and I'm gonna do a little workout. So it's already like 8:30, 8:45 right now, so it's kind of late. But I'm just gonna do a really quick workout. I just feel like I need to like start doing more things for myself. Like it's something I just want to be really present with. And I just want to make sure I'm making time for myself to do things that are good for me. So I do want to make an effort to work out more. I want to try to get up earlier and just like work on some hobbies. So like the baking, like I do like baking. I mean, snowmen, French macaroons is probably hard, but hey, like it's something to do. It entertains me. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of workout now and then I will just end off my night. Gonna just do a little warming up, probably like 10 minutes on the treadmill at an incline, and maybe like a little bit of abs or just like something really simple. So show you guys my little quick workout. I usually just like to start with a little bit of like stretching.
Ryan Little.
So I've been really into like Lauren Giraldo's like treadmill routine, but sometimes I don't do the full 30 minutes. Like right now, I feel like it's kind of late. So I'm only gonna do like 10 minutes, but I'm gonna do like the highest incline, probably like 3 to 3.5 miles per hour. And I feel like it really gets your heart rate up. So I'm just gonna do that now and then I'll do some abs and that'll be it. So I just did my cardio. I did a little under 10 minutes, but I was just looking at Maddie Sidlick. She's another YouTuber I like, and I looked at her Instagram story, and she just said that the Spotify like top songs are listed, so now I'm gonna look through it. It's like playing my top songs in my headphones as I'm watching this. Okay, that sounds about right. Oh yeah, I was obsessed with this song. I still am. That does not shock me. I listened to that song so much when it came out. Wow. Okay, Drake in my top 2 definitely makes sense. This was the first podcast I started listening to. I don't know, probably 2000s. Oh, so cool. It's like a little game you could guess. Oh, it's playing old Drake. Best I ever had. Oh, probably Drake. Of course. Oh my god, 3,400 minutes. Drake, Post, Mac Iris. I knew he was gonna be there too. I figured that. Bryson and Summer. Okay. I'm really shocked Ty Dolla $ign's on it. So my top artists, number 1 Drake, no shock there. 2 Post Malone. 3 Mac Iris. A lot of people probably haven't heard of him because he's definitely a little less known compared to some of my other artists on here, but he has this very chill, like soft vibes music. I don't even know how to describe it, but look him up. His music is so relaxing to me. I absolutely love it. Number 4, Bryson Tiller, and 5, Summer Walker. Top songs, Not You Too, featuring Chris Brown. Literally was obsessed with that song. Same with Time Flies. So when he dropped that EP, those were like the only 2 songs I listened to for like 2 weeks straight, I think. Number 3, Take My Soul, P&B Rock. I just got really into that song for some reason. Stretch You Out, Summer Walker. That was probably like one of my top songs from last year, so that's crazy. It's still this year. But honestly, like, I love her music. It's so good. And then 5, All You Need, featuring Quavo. That was by Jacquees. So I really like him too. I'm kind of surprised he wasn't one of my top artists. Awesome, I love this. I literally love Spotify for doing this. So that does not surprise me at all. I really figured Drake was gonna be my #1. I think Ty Dolla $ign would have been on it, but his album came out like only like a month ago, I think. So I don't think I had enough time to like make it onto there. I feel like I have so much time to listen to like podcasts and music. So yeah, so that was my little Spotify Unwrapped for 2020. So I am going to finish off my workout with a little bit of abs and then I'll shower. Honestly, for abs, I just do a lot of like crunches, nothing like too crazy. So I'm gonna shower now and then just edit and maybe have a little bit of dinner. So I'm gonna end the Vlogmas off here. I hope you guys enjoyed day 3. I know it was kind of like all over the place. I made macaroons, did a little workout, and shared my Spotify like Unwrapped for 2020 with you guys. And yeah, subscribe to my channel if you want to stay up to date with my Vlogmas. I'm trying to post every single day. This is my first year doing it, and it's definitely a challenge, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video.